Hi, welcome to Develops Dialogue by Dell. I'm Florian, working as a product technologist for Dell Technologies and contributor to the Kubernetes SIG storage community. Today, I want to discuss with you the scenario of a node ungraceful shutdown within a Kubernetes cluster. But before we dive into that scenario, let's discuss quickly what's a proper node graceful shutdown. So you have your Kubernetes cluster running with multiple nodes, and a proper graceful shutdown happens when you shut down your node. The Kubernetes service will capture that event, shutdown, and it will basically reschedule all your pods. They will move from the existing node, the node that is being shut down, to another one, ensuring the resiliency and high availability of your application. A non-graceful shutdown happens when Kubernetes is unable to get that event. In that scenario, maybe you have a crash, hardware failure, power failure, whatever, that makes the node being dead. In that case, the worker node dies, and the Kubernetes API will flag that node as being not ready. All the stateful pods that runs into the worker node will be flagged as terminating. And they will be in terminating mode basically forever, until we have an administrator that comes and fends this pod. The reason being is Kubernetes takes a cautious approach in that scenario because it doesn't really know if the node is really down. Maybe this is just the kubelet service that stops. Maybe we have network partitioning. And in these two cases, the data might still be written to disk, the pod is still running, and therefore rescheduling it might be a very bad idea and leading to data corruption. To solve that type of issues that requires manual intervention, Dell introduced a module, a container storage module for its driver that is named CSM Resiliency. It's a sidecar container that comes with the CSI driver named Podmon, and that will basically, upon the detection of this not ready state, gonna ask RSide, hey, what's your point of view? Dear Dell Storage, I know that you have all of this volume attached to that worker node, but what's going on from your point of view? Do you see any IOPS in these volumes? Do you see the host as being mounted? And we have a little heuristic that's gonna help us to determine if, yes or no, this is safe to reschedule that or these volume endpoints. So if the storage array tells us that this is safe, accordingly, in just a few seconds, upon the detection, the Podmon will take action to clean up the volume attachment and inform the Kube API that, hey, this is now that you have to reschedule your nodes, your pods. So just a few seconds later, or even less actually, your app will be scheduled to another worker node. The driver will kick in to reattach your volume, ensuring that resiliency. This little sidecar will detect many more type of failure scenarios like network failures, array side failures, driver failures, and more. So thanks to this technology, again, within a second, you can ensure the high availability and resiliency of your application. Till this day in 2023, there is no built-in solution within the Kubernetes ecosystem. We just have a new flag that says, hey, this is not ready. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more information around Kubernetes and storage. Talk to you soon.